Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, and this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to, before you practice, call to mind a promise that you have made to your students, maybe explicitly, maybe implicitly. Rededicate yourself to it, which you may not feel you need to do. Maybe you do regularly rededicate yourself to it, but call it to mind, rededicate yourself to it, and then keep it in the front of your mind throughout your practice, that promise. So, explicit or implicit, whatever the promise might be, newly rededicated, and keeping that promise in the forefront of your attention throughout your promise, throughout your practice, your promise. And that is the practice. If you don't have a promise that you can call to mind, this would be a great time to make one, implicit or explicit, or come to recognize an implicit one you have already made. That would be fine. But perhaps develop something to devote yourself to, which is a new promise to your students. Any promise to your students is, in effect, a promise to the art. And the promise of the art has seen its fruition in you. So, wouldn't it be nice to give back a bit? Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.